Good morning, class, and welcome to week 5. Today we have another exciting week of learning. This week you should be working on your GSS data report. This is really super simple, I promise you. And here's just a summary of what you'll be doing this week. These are objectives. Oh, and a special note for week 5 of summer of 15, if this is when you're watching this video. Sorry I didn't post exam 2.5, 2.6, and 3.5 with the deadline for you to complete. At this point in the semester, they are optional. If you would like to do them, you can, but you don't have to since we've kind of already gone past that material and I think you comprehend it fairly well. So it's up to you if you choose to do it. Okay, what else do we have here? Your to-do list for this week. Okay, once again, by now you should be concluding the book Slavery and African Ethnicities in the Americas. And there are some supplemental readings that I found that were really good and really helpful. Now, supplemental readings, I won't at this point in time require you to write about it in a discussion board or anything. But if I were you, please, please, please just take 5 minutes and take a look and glance through some of the materials and see if it might be useful to you. Even if it's not useful to you for this class, well, actually this one is, it'll be good to have for future reference. And this week we're going to try to schedule a go-to-meeting discussion of Project 1, the Louisiana Slave Database, because I'd love to hear what you thought about it. And, now that I think about it, since everybody's so busy, maybe I'll request that you guys just do a little video about it. We'll see. I'll email you and let you know. Okay, you're also going to work on Project 2, the SPS data, GSS data, using SPSS. And I've given you the data file. It's in there, and you can download it and use it with your version of SPSS. And when you click on Project 2, and I'll go through that and show you what the variables that you can select from. And this week, it looks like it's a lot to do, but it's really not. You've got exam 5, exercise 5, so on and so forth. Not that hard, really, I promise you. Okay, let's see. What's the other thing? Okay. Quizzes, tests, exams. I'm sure you know where to find everything. Let me just take you through project number 2 using GSS data. Select a variable from this set from the list below. You're going to write up your hypothesis and post in a discussion board. And we'll talk about this at some point. We'll schedule a Google Hangout or a GoToMeeting. Download the data set. I'm sorry, excuse me. Import the data into your copy of SPSS. Run your analysis. You'll be fine. This is all very straightforward. If you've made it this far in the class, you should be able to do this without any problem. What is GSS, if you ask? And I give you a little background on it. And here's some variables to choose from. Now, I'm so sorry. Normally, during the course of a regular semester, when I have, I will usually go ahead and put students' names and let you fill out the hypothesis based on the set of variables that you select. Now, if you do pick variables that you don't see in the particular GSS data file that I've given you, don't freak out about it. Just look for a variable that's similar and make sure you get permission from me to utilize that variable. And then in the discussion board, I want you to select 2 variables, your independent, dependent, control variable, and peer review 2 of your classmates. This is pretty easy. And this is how I want you to structure your report. Very simple: hypothesis, rationale, results, discussion, and an appendix, which is just putting in all your PDFs or screenshots of your materials. And here's a bit of the grading sheet, although it might differ a little bit when I use the rubric, but you'll see. And here's the data where you can click on the link and go and find it. The code book, the Excel, this should say Excel data file. You can select either version of these data files, and then you'll have to import it into your copy of SPSS. Let me see. Go all the way down. Woo. Okay, just going through all the data sets here, all the files. Here's some more, another location to get the data files. Here's a video that's really good on helping you to write the research report. And there is one in here. I'm sorry this is buried so deeply in here. Telling stories with numbers. This is a graded activity. You get a grade for this. So make sure you do these 3 that are way down here at the bottom. Let me click on this. Oops, that's not the right folder. That's why. So just ignore that one. But the link for the actual GSS data files for you to download is way back up here. Whoop, okay. It's way up here. Excel, data file, full student version. We'll click on that. And obviously this takes you outside and it would download it. So I'm not going to download that right now. And let me go back to week 5. And that's all there is to it. So once again, welcome to week 5. If you have questions, please be sure to email me in a timely manner so I can help you. Thanks for watching this short video lecture for today. And have a great, wonderful week. Bye.